Hello smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Anna. Learning and play, learning and play. Yes, we are going to learn about phonics. Alright, I have this sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Very good. Okay, now can you please tell me the objects that start with sound? Yes, you're right. A sun. Okay, what else? Exactly. Shoes. What else? Yes, shell. Very good. Anything else? You're right. Socks. And then? Yes, spoon. Very good, kids. Alright, now let's try to write the letter S together. Okay, show me your pointer. Yes, let's write together in the air. Okay, just follow the arrow. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, one more time, okay? Don't forget to say the sound. Alright, ready, steady, go. Very good. Alright kids, now it's time for riddle. Are you ready? Good job.
Hi friends, it's me PL. It's time for riddle. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal and this animal is littering. What it could be? Yes, you're right friends. It's a snake. Yes, we did it friends. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the next riddle.
Alright kids, now let's practice about the sound. Okay, don't forget to say the sound and do the movement like the snake. Okay, very good. Okay, I have some words. Alright, let's start with bus. B-A-S. Bus. Can you hear the sound? Yes, where is it? In the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Bus. Yes, very good. It's the end of the word. Good job. So it's the ending sound. Okay, how about sun? Sun. Can you hear the sound? Yes, where is it? In the beginning, middle, or ending? Yes, good job. It's in the beginning of the word. Very good, kids. Okay, next I have castle. Castle. Where is the sound? Yes, very good. It's in the middle of the word. Castle. Good job, kids. And I have the last one. How about this? Glass. Glass. Where is the sound? Yes, you're right. It's at the end of the word. It's the ending sound. Yay! Good job, kids. Alright, kids, let's review one more time. Do you still remember what sound is this? Very good. Yes, you're right. Okay, that's all for today. You did very well. Good job. And see you next time. Bye-bye.